Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 5 and 6 from exercise 3.2. Understanding quadrilateral chapter 3. Question number 5a. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle 22 degree? You have to verify it that is it possible to have the exterior angle of a polygon is 22 degree. You know that number of sides of a polygon, okay, from the starting from the solution, as sum of the exterior angles exterior angles is equal of angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. Sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. If each exterior angle is equal to 22 degree, then number of sides of the regular polygon is equal to, you know that 360 by number of by each exterior angle, and as for any regular polygon you know that number of sides will be a whole number. If I divide these 360 degree by 22 degree, 360 by 22 both are degrees, so I am not writing it. If I divide 360 by 22, then if the result is coming a whole number, then it can be a side of the regular polygon. But if the case if it is not coming a whole number, you know that number of sides of a regular polygon is not become a whole number, fractional number. So let's see, it is coming a fractional number or a whole number. 360 divided, now 6 ja 8. See the number of sides is coming 8 by 20, 66, 16, 8 by 22. It is not a whole number. You can see it is not a whole number, and number of side is not a whole number. So a regular polygon is not possible, as number of side, as the number of sides is not a whole number. So it cannot be the side of the regular polygon. So as the number of side is 16, 8 by 22, it is a fractional number. So we can write that as the number of side is not a whole number. So each exterior angle measured 22 degree of a regular polygon is not possible. Now the next question is asking that is it possible that 22 be the interior angle of a regular polygon? Now in question number B, the same question, continuation of that question number A. Can 22 be an interior angle of a regular polygon? It was not possible that it is an exterior angle. So try to verify that. Is it possible to have an interior angle? If it is, if the exterior angle, if it is interior angle, say it is interior angle is 22 degree, say 22 degree is the interior angle. Then exterior angle, you know that exterior angle you can find here. How can you find exterior angle? As it is linear pair, so exterior angle you can find 180 degree minus 22. It is 158 degree. So let's try by the exterior angle only. If the interior angle be 22 degree, then exterior angle will be you know that by using the concept of linear pair we can find the interior and exterior angle if any one is given. So it will be equal to 158 degree. Now the number of sides, therefore number of sides, if it is coming whole number then it is possible. Let's see, number of sides of the regular polygon equal to 360 degree by 360 degree by 158 degree. If I start the division, then you can see that, so what we can see that the number of side is coming when we are dividing 360 by 158, it is again not a whole number, 244 by 158. So it is not a whole number. So as the number of side is not a whole number, so you have seen that it is not a whole number, so it is not possible to have a regular polygon. So you have to write the answer in sentence as the number of sides is not a whole number. So each interior angle measures 22 degree. Now it is interior angle. No, now each interior angles measure 22 degree of a regular polygon is not possible. Understood? Now in these two cases there is a logic also. These two sums are basis on the logic. So logical basis sums you have to understand properly, practice it. Now we will do question number 6. Now in question number 6, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Minimum interior angle means what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon, and you have to give the reason also. So you know that the regular polygon, possible regular polygon of minimum size, say when we have, you know that regular polygon is made up of line segments only. So two line segments can't make a polygon because it is not a closed figure. So you need minimum 3 sides you need to make a regular polygon. And when it is a regular polygon, if it is a regular polygon, and as it is a regular polygon and the minimum sides required 3 line segments, by using 3 line segments you can make a closed polygon. And as because it is a regular, so all the sides are also equal. All the sides are equal, so all the angles are also equal. You know that in a regular polygon means it is an equilateral triangle. Regular polygon of minimum sides is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So in case of equilateral triangle, all the angles are 60 degree. So what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? This is the minimum. This is a regular polygon of minimum sides, and all the angles are 60 degree. So this is the minimum interior angle, possible angle for a regular polygon. So you can write in this way that the equilateral, answer you can write in this way: the equilateral triangle is a regular polygon. Equilateral triangle You can write in this way: equilateral triangle is a regular polygon of three sides has the least measure of the interior angle angles. So therefore the minimum interior angle, minimum possible interior angle for a regular polygon is equal to 60 degree. So why it is 60 degree, this reason also we have explained, and what is the minimum angle, it is also explained here. Now for the next question, what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? If the minimum angle is 60 degree, if in a same sum, if the minimum angle is 60 degree, then this is the maximum exterior angle, possible exterior angle. You know that possible exterior angle, if it is minimum, then the exterior angle will be the maximum. Then what is the maximum exterior angle, possible angles for a regular polygon? It is 180 minus 60, that is 120. As 60 degree is the minimum interior angle, minimum measure of interior angle of a regular polygon. Therefore 180 minus 60, that is 120 degree, will be the measure of maximum measure of exterior angle. Of a regular polygon. Understood? This both the sums are question number 5 and question number 6 are logical basis sum. So you have to understand it properly, and then you can do the sum. Practice it. Thank you, students.